Here's another car we're going to try to get running. I think it's a 64 or 5 or 6 Ford, I think a Falcon Wagon. Yeah, 2-door or 4-door? 4-door. It has some issues.
Yeah, mostly fungus.
You would be too. Little 6-banger. Well,
Is it 223?
I don't know Fords. They had some oddball.
223 was the car one.
There's a little baby motor. Well, we're gonna try to getting it running. It's got a funky looking intake. The way all the runners are. What does this thing produce for horsepower? 50,
Not much.
55?
Be around probably 100.
Yeah, I guess so, eh?
At the flywheel anyways.
Oh yeah, that's right, because it produces more than Chris's flathead. My bad. Okay, let's see what this thing needs.
Maybe we'll get lucky more of a distributor and we can stop.
Oh, it's got a carburetor.
Damn. Remember, people be negative. Very. Holy shit, those bales are tight.
More dust. Let's see if...
Look, this one's a lot cleaner. Oh, the points actually look good on this one.
Looks new.
That's almost a brand new rotor in there.
That's a problem.
What's going on? Throttle stuck?
Mm-hmm. You want me to go inside and give it the magic foot?
Sure. Choke works.
My leg's in the way?
No, we're good. Oh, it's Matt. Oh, it's a Falcon.
Yeah, you already said that.
Oh, I thought it was just a Ford, whatever. Comment or whatever. We got throttle.
No, we don't.
It's got oil.
Bending.
It might be moving on your end, but not moving on ours.
Oh, hey, you're on the key.
Well, there you go.
You're on the dash.
What a world
Wow.
we live in.
Well, at least I found the keys. I don't know if it's Ford. Oh, they say Falcon.
It's
Oh, yeah, we got ignition. Hope it's not like the other car. The pedal's moving slightly.
Something's gonna break.
it's just bending.
Do we know if we get it running?
You can try. Make no promises.
Just got idle.
I don't know. We can try.
Throw the battery in, I guess, and we'll see if we got spark.
At least you found the key. That's
Wow.
pretty rare. You know you're big time when? Ford garbage.
Nice seat cover there.
I know. Probably a pretty nice sheet underneath. Oh no, never mind.
You can hear it cracking from
Oh
here.
no, I'm sitting on like a linoleum or something.
No.
Rolled up.
Yeah, the carb throttle might be seized.
Carburetor.
Okay, hey Corey, put her in neutral.
Oh, yeah.
Put your foot in the clutch.
It's automatic.
Automatic.
That's not me farting. That's just linoleum.
Just give her just a bump just to see what happens. If it'll turn over.
We don't have brake. Oh, we got lights in here. Good. Ready?
Just give it a bump.
Nothing.
And you're in park.
No.
Remember, neutral safety switch.
Yeah, nothing.
Pull your headlights. Oh, you got headlights. Is there a safety switch we don't know about somewhere? Did anyone wire a safety switch in?
No, I don't see nothing. Nobody stole a starter. It's there.
That would have been funny. Somebody stole the starter.
Now? We got nothing. Oh, nothing. There you go. Oh, bad connection.
Go again. Try it.
I'm trying. Houston, we don't have a problem.
The ignition switch went on just like the other car.
Typical fucking Ford. You gotta tap the damn solenoid.
What's that for?
Oh, sorry. You can edit that, Chris. Typical Ford. You have to tap the solenoid. Chris is too lazy to hit it. Oh, hang on. Okay, try it again. Oh, no sparky.
No spark it.
I'll turn the key off.
Got the sandpaper?
I'm just making sure we got connections at the distributor.
Oh,
Where's the sand? Don't tell me we left the sandpaper in the back.
I can get another sandpaper.
It was.
Get another one. Oh, it's right here, Derek. It's right here. Christopher's too lazy to look behind him. Do you have that in the film?
Yes.
Yeah, Christopher's too lazy to literally go like this and oh, there's some sandpaper.
That wasn't my job.
And here's large.
Government job.
Geez, this car doesn't smell inside.
There's a plus.
What's the dash like?
Like a dash?
No radio?
No.
Someone had a stereo in it. They put
Yeah, it's
cut
probably
the door panels.
they probably put an 8-track in it. Guarantee they weren't listening to no 2 Live Crew.
Need a screwdriver here.
Cars, you don't see many of these wagons.
No, you don't.
No. At least not in this junkyard.
Hey, Corey,
Yo,
just put your ignition on.
ignition is on.
Nope. Starting to get spark now.
What's that?
A little bit more cleaning. I'm getting spark, but not every
You
time.
always shut the key off?
Yeah, shut it off, please.
Key is off.
And Derek's got the rubber somewhere.
Who knows? Maybe a couple hours, take this out for a boot and go cruise for some chicks. Oh man.
Go Sunday night cruising with it.
It's not Sunday, it's Saturday.
Can make an exception.
Hey, Corey, what's your ignition on?
Hey Chris, we have brake lights?
No.
Yo.
Up and over just a hair. Again? Oh, you got
Ooh.
now it is.
Okay.
Cool.
I know what Chris is trying to do right now.
Cranking down the back window. It's actually not rusty back here. Some more galvanized patching.
I think that was the thing in like the 70s and 80s was galvanized.
Wait, because it didn't rust. That was the theory behind it.
And pop rivets.
Oh yeah, pop rivets.
I wonder if they use galvanized pop rivets. Would you expect any less?
Derek seems to be good on the gas man here. At least we don't got to jump this one. At least not that we know of.
Will it run? Will it be easier than the Pontiac?
Does anybody care?
I care.
Alright,
I
do
don't
some magic.
Okay.
I think that carb is
I think it's got some sort of.
You see, as it goes in, then it catches a high
Yeah.
spot.
No, but yeah, there's something not right. I don't think it's the motor.
it might be stuck valves.
I wouldn't be surprised yet because it just says it when you hear it turn over.
Yeah.
The one spot doesn't sound good on it. You always hear it coming over. It doesn't sound good.
Something that is very any compression pulling. You put your hand over the curb and she'll suck you in.
I could have stuck valves to it. You sure smell the bad gas. Oh, you smell the bad gas. Something's not right. You hear that ticking?
Well, yeah, you can also hear when the car's cranking.
Yeah, that's what when you're cranking, you hear a click about every time it turns over. So something ain't good.
No, but in here you hear something like.
Oh, you do?
I bet if this one fired, she'd try and make some noises. All I gotta say is, fail.
Again, wasting my afternoon.
They all can't be winners, but you don't know unless you try.
We're working on a Rumley radiator right now.
Oh well.
Oh well.
Wah, wah, wah.
Anyway, I hope you liked this little video. I'm not sure if I'll ever make the internet or the world or wherever.
It might be cut.
But you never know. It could be a blooper.
You need the thing off. I can't make sound effects to save my life.
Anyway.
We noticed.
Like and subscribe. Forward. Crap.